Today we are going to make nature in a jar. This is a fun activity for all ages of children. We have Julia with us today, who is 14. We have Abby, who is 11. And we're actually going to make some things for younger kids as well. This is an awesome project on a rainy day, which we found ourselves in, or in your own backyard. Doesn't matter. Nature in a jar, of course, we have a cute little jar here that we've made as a gift. But what we're doing is really just going out on a walk in the park or even in your own backyard and finding things that you can put together in a little jar that you can watch grow in your own home or just play with for little children. What we have here are several different kinds of jars. We have one with a solid lid, and then if you have a creature, a living creature that you found that you want to observe for the day, make sure that you have one that has holes in the top so they can get enough oxygen. So we have lots of different things. We've gone on a nature walk. We've just gotten back and we have moss here that we found. We have lichen, which is a type of moss that we found out in the park that we're in today. And you can also use plastic animals, which is perfectly fine for little children. It's such like a little terrarium that they can play with and enjoy, put on the shelf, and it's all contained in a nice jar. So Abby, what have you decided to make today?
I decided to make a gift for somebody.
Okay. How about you, Julia? What are you going to make today?
I'm actually going to try to grow mushrooms.
Oh, mushrooms. Yeah, we did. We just came back from a nature walk. We're here at Gemini Springs today. And it's been a rainy day. We've actually had a lot of rain, and there's lots of beautiful mushrooms that are growing. And so what she's done, she carefully got the mushrooms with the root and everything. And I think that's a great idea. Creating a living terrarium. You could do that with the Spanish moss and keep it alive. You could do it with ferns. Any small plant would work great in your own little nature in a jar. So let's watch Julia as she puts it together, and she'll explain the different components that she has.
So first I actually put the rocks in for the drainage, so the water, and then I'm going to pour my dirt for the mushrooms to grow. Smooth that out. Next, I'm going to put the moss in so the mushrooms can actually stand tall. Okay. I'm trying to do this very delicately. Put it down in there. Put some dirt. A little challenging. Here, let me get that. There we go.
Today I'm going to make a gift one for someone in my family. So I put these rocks in Ziploc bags so they can make their own kit. So I'm making the kit for them, and then they can put it together when I give it to them. And I found some dirt that I was going to do the same with too. And I found some green moss to put in so it looks decorative. And I found a pine cone that I thought would be cute to put in. And I found a couple of little acorns. And I thought some leaves would be cute in there. And I found this little fake frog because, you know, I'm going to ship it to someone, so I don't want to give them a real life frog.